Kids wanna. Hi kids, look at this super cool vehicle. It's a patroller. Chase and Marshall from Paw Patrol are getting ready to patrol the neighborhood to make sure everybody's safe. Oh, stop! There's a cow. Hi, what are you doing here alone? I'm lost. Well, get in the back. We'll take you back to your friends. Thank you. Wow, this is an amazing patroller. Thank you. Well, there you go. There's your group. Oh, hi, guys. Where were you? We were so worried about you. I got lost. Thank you, Chase and Marshall. You're welcome. We were very worried about you. You shouldn't wander off alone in the fields. I know. I'll be careful next time. Horses and Pegasus. We're so glad you came to visit us, said Pegasus. Well, let's continue on and patrolling our neighborhoods. Oh, look, our friends. Hi, guys. What are you doing? Oh, we're visiting our cousins, Pegasus, said the black horse. But we're ready to go home. Well, we can take you back. It's on our way. Great! This is gonna be so much fun. We love your new vehicle. What is it called? It's a patroller. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you for taking us back. No problem. Bye, cousins. Goodbye, said Mrs. Pegasus. There's your home. Great. I am so tired. We played all day. I need to take a nap. And I'm very thirsty, said the brown horse. Oh, here's your water. Yummy. Water is delicious. Thank you, guys. Goodbye, said Marshall. I love it when our cousins visit us, said Mrs. Pegasus. Yes, we had a lot of fun. Can't wait for next time. Goodbye. And off they go. Sheep. I love to roam free in the fields. Hi, guardian dogs. Well, hello. I think we're missing a few sheep. Where are they? Hello, help us. There's a scorpion. We need to call Chase and Marshall from Paw Patrol. They will come and get you. Paw Patrol to the rescue. We're on our way. Hello, Scorpion. Hello, sheep. You should be careful. We know we went too far. Well, hop on and we'll take you back. Thank you so much. And by the way, we love your new patroller. It's amazing. Oh, thank you. We know. We love it too. Let's go. Well, here's your group. Hello, sheep. Hello, guardian dogs. Don't lose your friends again. Yes, we know. Thank you so much. And congratulations on getting your new vehicle, this new super cool patroller. Chickens. Chickens lay eggs every day. A farmer. She's here to get the eggs. Hi, my dear friends, said the farmer. I think we should give eggs to Paw Patrol. Of course. I feel much safer when they're around. Well, let's wait for them. Oh, they're coming. Hi, Chase and Marshall. We decided to give you some eggs today as a thank you for all the help. Well, that's no problem. That's our job. That's why we're here. Thank you for the eggs. You can put it in the bag. Goodbye. Thank you so much. No, thank you. Thank you for patrolling our neighborhood and making sure we're safe. Goats. We're hungry. Well, Chase and Marshall are bringing your hay, said the farmers. Hi, guys. We brought you the hay. You're right on time, said the farmer. Our goats are getting hungry. It's in the back. Marshall, open the back. Fresh new hay. Oh, thank you. Yummy, it's delicious, said the goat. Can we have some water? Of course. There's your water. Well, thank you so much. Water is delicious. You're welcome. Enjoy. Thank you, Chase and Marshall. You're welcome. We have one more job to do. We gotta take the piggies to their new home, and they have a new mud bath. They're gonna enjoy it. Piggies love mud. That's how they cool off. Well, there you go, piggies. This is your new home, and you have a new mud bath. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you so much, Paw Patrol. Oh, it feels so good. It does. I love it. Thank you so much. Can we have some food too, please? Said the pig. Of course you can. This feels great. I love our new home. There's your food. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you soon. Bye! And by the way, we love your new vehicle. It's amazing. Goodbye, piggies. And off they go. If you like this video, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.